Mangwabe finally explained the reason why she didn't come with Simpio when she got married to Musa Mseleku. And this has nothing to do with Musa Mseleku, because people have been saying that Musa Mseleku hates Simpio because Simpio is doing much better than Umpumelelo. And Mangwabe hides her child, that she doesn't want people to know that she has another child beside the two young ladies with Musa Mseleku. Anyway, guys, let's get to story today. The rest of the house is welcome to True Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. What's on this Temple Season 8 episode 1. So yesterday, finally Mangwabe cleared the rumors, because people have been dragging Mangwabe, saying that she's a bad mother. Why she's hiding Simpiwe? Simpiwe was supposed to be Utandone's Temple, or is Ngani's Temple at least. So yesterday Mangwabe went on to say that on her direct section, when she got married, the decision was already made back at home. Sometimes the family, when you get married, when you have a child, they will say leave the child alone and go live your best life. Some family member, they don't have a problem with that. And Musa Mseleku, guys, was happy. He went on to say that Mangwabe, she's a good example to another woman. He wished that other women do the same. And Mangwabe, look, Musa Mseleku is like, Aibo, relax, the decision was made back at home. I did not make that decision. So please. So you can tell that if there's one person who's humbling Musa Mseleku this season 8, it is Mangwabe, guys. So at least now we know that Mangwabe, she doesn't hide Simpiwe. The decision was made back at home. They saw that she deserved to be happy. Just because she already had a child doesn't mean that she doesn't deserve to get married and move on with her life. But you can see that Simpiwe, guys, he's doing much better. Last year he did graduate. Musa Mseleku was invited together with Mangwabe, and people went on to say that now we understand why Musa Mseleku does not like Simpiwe, because Simpiwe is more smarter than Pumelelo. You're probably gonna take over Itandone's Temple production, and people were just saying a lot of stuff about Simpiwe. But Simpiwe is living his best life with her grandparents, with her grandmother, Mangwabe's mother, guys. You can tell that he's doing better. He's busy pushing his music. Yesterday he even posted what's on his Temple trailer, Mangwabe's pictures. You know, he is a happy child, guys. He doesn't have a problem. Probably around holidays he goes and see her mother. You will see sometimes around December he will post the pictures with Mangwabe and her grandmother, guys. There was a picture where he posted saying that these are my two best women in the world. I've never seen him posting his father. So guys, he really loves Mtombeni. He will like Mtombeni's pictures. He doesn't have a problem, guys, because the decision was made by a family. So it doesn't mean that Mangwabe did not want to stay with her son. She wanted to stay with her son, but because the family saw that, you know, man, we love you and we want to see you happy, so this is the best decision, guys. We can tell that Mangwabe's mother, guys, she's just a good woman, you know, beside all the drama and shindy. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Have you ever in the situation when you got married and you have to leave your child behind? I know it's not easy, because at the end of the day, that's your child. You need to protect him. Some people will choose their children than marriage. Some will say, I'd rather not get married. If I'm not coming with my child, I'm not getting married. I'd rather stay alone and be a single mother. What do you think about this? Do you think Mangwabe made a right decision? And are you happy when Musa Mseleku say that Mangwabe, she's a good example for not coming with her child? You know, what do you think about Musa Mseleku? Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment, tell me in the comment section, are you in that situation? Please let's engage in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.